Hey, one and all! It's time for us to read words. Are you ready to read words? Let's go! The words that we are going to read today, we are going to hear this sound ah and this sound b. Let's blend them together to hear the rhyme that we are going to hear in these words. Ab, ab, ab. Can you say ab? Great job! Now, let's look for the words. When we say them, we hear ab. So let's see words that rhyme with ab. Sad. Do you hear ab? Uh-uh. Fab. Do you hear ab? Yes, I can hear ab. Fab. Fab. Dad. Do you hear ab? Uh-uh. Nab. Do you hear ab? Yes. Ab. Nab. Way to go. Let's now say the sound. Remember, ab. We hear b, b, like belly. B, b. Can you see this man? His belly? Let me hear you say b, b, b. Very good. All right, so let's look for ab. How do we write it? Is it this one? A, d. How about this one? A, b. That's correct. A, p. Is it this one? How about this one? Ab. Ab. This is correct. How many times can we see ab? One time, two times. Super cool. All right, let's now call the words. So in the picture, we can see k, a, b. Let's say the songs again. K, a, b. Let's now blend them together. K, a, ka, ka, b. Cab. Let's now say it. Cab. Cab. How about this one? D, a, b. D, a, b. Let's blend it now. D, a, da, da, b. Dab, dab. Let's say it. Dab. What about this one? F, a, b. F, a, b. Let's blend it now. F, a, fa, fa, b. Fab. Fab. Let's say the word. Fab. What about this one? G, a, b. G, a, b. Let's blend it now. G, a, ga, b, gab, gab. Let's say it now. Gab. What about this one? J, a, b, j, a, b, j, a, ja, ja, b, job, job, job. Let's say it now. Job. Let's go to the next one. L, a, b, l, a, b, l, a, la, la, b, lab, lab. Let's hear you say the word. Lab. Let's call this one. N, a, b, n, a, b, n, a, na, nab, 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 nab. Let's say you call the word nab. What about this one? T, a, b, t, a, b, t, a, tab, 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 tab. Let's say you call the word tab. How about this one? R, a, b. Let's say the songs again. R, a, b. Now let's blend them. R. Let's blend them together. Cr, cr, a, cra, crab, 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 crab. Let's now say the word together. Crab, crab. All right, now this one also has a blend. G, r, a, b, g, r, a, b, g, r. Let's put them together. Grr, grr, ah, gra, grab, 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 grab. Let's now say the word grab. Say it one more time. Grab. All right, this one also has a blend. Let's say the songs. S, l, a, b, s, l, a, b, s, l, sl, sl, a, sla, slab, 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 slab. Let's now say the word slab, slab, slab. Great job! You did an awesome job today. It was so good spending time with you. I hope to see you next time so that we can read words that has ab. So that we can read words that have ab. Ab. Today we learn the song. What song did we learn? Let's tell you. Ab. 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 Great job. Hope to see you next time. Thank you so much for being here. Until then, I will see you in a next video. Take care now. Let's say later now.